don't know, above Bangkok, going towards Vientiane, Laos. So it's day 5, 20th October. We are from Bangkok to Vientiane, Laos. We left our hotel at 7 a.m. in the morning. Travel up north. We have 3 fuel stops all the way to Nongkhai. This is the Nongkhai border. I will be making a separate video of the border crossing itself. Today's mini guide is having this route up all the way into Laos, and we went to Vientiane, where we stopped at Patuxay monument at around 9:15. I am at Vientiane, Laos with bride. Woohoo! Firman. Okay, this is Patuxay monument. Survival.